In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Calendar in Base44. So it's really simple. All you need to do is head over to integrations. And from here, you see these connectors. So quick add connections to popular services. So what you need to do is click on how to use under Google Calendar. And from here, you can see some example prompts, how you can use this. So for example, you can create a weekly schedule from my Google Calendar events, include reminders before each meeting, follow-up notes after, and block double bookings. So for example, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open one of my apps and I will paste this prompt in chat. Now what you need to do is to view and manage your calendar events for a weekly schedule. You need these two required permissions. So click on connect to Google Calendar and then choose your account which you want to connect. So I'm going to choose my account, then click continue and click on select all. So you will give access Base44 to your Google Calendar, then click continue. And as you can see now, it should be connected. So now as you can see, it created this schedule. So we have a beautiful 7-day grid layout showing our Google Calendar events. So this is it. You have also meeting reminders, follow-up notes. So from here you can add new event. So for example, I'm going to add a new event on this day, Tuesday. Let's say meeting. You can add the description. You can also put the date and start time or end date. So I added some time and I'm going to click on create event. Now it should be displayed in my Google Calendar. And as you can see, this is my meeting. So it's successfully working. This is it, but I don't see it in Base44. So maybe I need to fix it. So now how we can fix it is simple. I'm going to just type in chat to Base44, like I see events created in Google Calendar, but I don't see them in Base44. Now this should be fixed by Base44. Now as you can see, it's working. I asked him to fix it. And now also we can see tasks from Google Calendar. So let's say I'm going to add in Google Calendar some meeting for Saturday. So let's try it. So let's say meeting Base44, then click save. And now we should see it here when I click refresh button. And there is it. So this is how you can use Google Calendar in Base44. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.